Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add more sheets on your Google Sheets mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to add the sheets in Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the Google Sheet and click on this plus symbol and just click on the new spreadsheet option here. So now you will see a sheet, only one sheet here. You can just click this. You can see the about the sheet and click on this three dot to see the view of the sheet, and click on the plus symbol here to add more sheets. You can see there is a lot of sheets has been added. So you just added a lot more sheets. You are on the sheet 9. How to switch between the first sheet? You can just drag here or click on this three dots which shows the all the type of sheets. You can select it directly from this also. So you just want to click on this add symbol to add the sheet, and if you want to modify the sheet, you just click on the sheet option. You will see a lot of option about the duplicate, delete, rename, hide, color tab, guidelines, and more left, right, and frozen rows and frozen columns like that. So this is the video. It's a basic overview of how to add the sheets on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.